you guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to show you how to create a quick and easy home studio for you, a home with the things that most of us have. So the first thing, obviously, I'm filming on the phone. We all have phones, so just grab a phone and start recording. Right now I'm filming on the front camera, but I will probably switch it to the back camera so the quality is better when I'm sitting down and my camera is not moving. So for now I'm using the front camera so I can see what I'm filming and where I am in the frame. Then the thing that I'm using right now is a window, a light source that we need. If you don't have an external lights at home, use a window. It's the best thing you could ever use. Also, if you have lights at home that you can use, sometimes it's even better to use an actual light source that can naturally light you up. So a window it is. And also the second thing, we all have books, boxes, things like that at home. So I'm gonna use like a wooden thingy to put my phone on the window, so I have some sort of a tripod, but this is gonna be my tripod. So let's set you up. And then literally set it up against the window how you like it. Grab a chair and you can sit in front of it here. So I'm gonna grab a chair. So I sit down, I can see that I'm a little too high, like my head is almost without shoulders, so I need to make sure that I can prop myself up in a way that I am not cut off. So in my opinion this looks pretty good. I'm sit in the center. I know that my phone, the camera is on the side, but I should probably look there better. For now I want to see how this visual looks. So as you can see, this alone is pretty good. Also worth to mention, if you have a flashlight or something like this that you can use as an extra light, use it for yourself. I have like a spotlight and like longer diffuse, like, if you will. So if you have less light, you can use, you can see that there's a difference in it. You could just set it by your phone and use it if you need it. I mean, for me today I don't think I need that, but like if it would be a darker day, I probably would use it, like stick it on the wall or somewhere. Or like if you want like backlight as well for yourself, put it outside the frame and you can see that there's like, see there's light on my like hair and my shoulder, so you stand out more in a frame. Like literally flashlight, just stick it to the wall, to the ceiling somewhere if you need an extra light, if you want that effect. But if you have just lights behind you, like there's already like a light stick there that is on just itself, but if you have something behind you, put it on. So I will put it on and see if it makes any difference. So for now I put on some fairy lights behind. I think it's enough. It gives some light, some life itself for the view, for the frame itself, so it feels like it gives more to it. So yeah, it's pretty simple. Just grab your phone, use a window that have nice enough light, put your phone on books, on boxes, on some type of furniture that works for you, prop it against the window, and this works pretty well. Put some lights behind you if you need to. Put some external like flashlight or something, stick it to the wall, it will work perfectly fine. And wear something that makes you pop in a frame, because as we don't have like a studio like lights right now, like you need something that makes you stand out. You don't have like harsh backlights that you lit out and stand out. So yeah, wear something that makes you pop in a frame, make it look as nice as you possibly can if you want, if that's something that you want. But like, I just want to show you that you don't need a professional camera, professional light setup, you don't need a set or anything. Just use a room that you can use, corner, whatever it is. Just have a window, film it in the daytime. That is one con for this. You can film only in daytime, because nighttime there's no lights, and a lone flashlight is a bit harsh on your face if you just put it like that. But I have created a second video where I use the same flashlight, but because it's on a colder side, I used a plastic bag, a yellow plastic bag, orangey, and put it over it to diffuse the light so it's not that strong, and it gives a tint of warmer color on your skin. It's not like harsh cold, you know what I mean? So that's also a little tip, so go check out that video as well if you want that. And yeah, hope this can help you out. And yeah, there's no excuse to start your journey, because we all have phone, most of us have a window. I hope we all have windows. And yeah, so backlights behind a chair and somewhere to prop up your phone. So simple as that. Just give it a go, click that record button, and the rest is history, literally. So hope you enjoy this.